Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very refreshing and delicious cucumber lemonade that I know you guys are going to love. As I call it, limonada de pepino. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, making my simple syrup. I am using 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water. I'm going to take it to the stove until the sugar has dissolved completely and the water it's just slightly yellow. Let me tell you, put it aside, let it rest until it comes to room temperature, and you will be using less sugar in your amazing lemonades. And here I have my organic lemons from my tree, and of course with this little gadget I am taking all the juice out of the lemons. Look at this. You could find those little gadgets at Amazon or at Walmart. And of course I'm using 1.5 cups of the lemon juice. Here I have 2 cucumbers. I'm gonna wash them really good, scrub the skin really good, and of course I am using the whole cucumber except the edges. When I say I'm using the whole, it's because I'm using the skin too. Remember that all the properties, all the vitamin, all the antioxidants are on the skin. That's why I'm leaving all the skin behind. You really want to take advantage of all those vitamins that the skin have. Look at this. Of course, I'm reserving a little bit of the slices of the cucumber for the decoration of my pitcher and my glass. And now I'm just ready to put everything inside my blender. I'm going to reserve the slices. And of course, I am going to add 1 cup of simple syrup, 1 cup of the lemon juice. I'm going to add, in addition, the pinch of salt that is going to help with the acidity of the lemon. Do not skip the pinch of salt. Let me tell you, it's going to bring up the flavor of the cucumber, but yet it's going to help with the acidity of the lemon. You're going to love it. Do not skip it. And now I'm adding some water. In total, I am using 2 liters of water and all the ingredients. Look at this. Now I'm going to, this is optional. Now I'm going to add 3 to 4 drops of food coloring. This is going to give it such a vibrant color to your cucumber lemonade. That's optional. If you don't want to add it, that's fine. Now you're going to blend completely for about 2 to 3 minutes, making sure that all that skin is really blended, because I'm not going to sift it. I just want to have it nice and blended. If your blender doesn't blend that well, then you would have to sift it. But I'm not going to sift it. I'm just going to blend away for 3 minutes, and now I'm ready to pour into my pitcher. My mouth is watering because it's so hot, and I know exactly how this lemonade is going to taste. It's always so delicious and so perfect, and it's really hot outside. I even have my pets inside because it's nice and hot out there. And now, of course, I have my glass with slices of the cucumber, the decoration of slices of lemon, and this is the best part. Refreshing yourself with Cooking with Gloria. Only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. session. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy and refresh myself with this cucumber lemonade. See you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing cucumber lemonade. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting and refreshing myself. Excuse me. So delicious. Take advantage of all the skin of the cucumber because all the vitamins are in that skin and you don't want to miss out. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing and delicious, refreshing lemonade. If you liked and loved this amazing lemonade, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And of course, I will stay refreshing myself with this amazing cucumber lemonade. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.